IntelliSpatial was invited along to the Snowy 2.0 project to help provide a higher level of visibility and a much broader range of datasets essentially around the project for the construction sector, but as it's turned out to be used much broader across the project. Essentially, we pick up the entirety of the site, so from disturbance boundary to disturbance boundary. What that does then is provide a data set that can be used for today's purposes, but also for something that might come up in several months' time, and you need that information from today.
We're also getting very, very good data back on how much excavation has been carried out on Talbingo intake, for example, which is a 600,000, 700,000 cubic metre cut vertically, and we probably know down to the wheelbarrow where we are with our volumes. The information we got from them has been very, very valuable, and it's allowed us to make some very good decisions.
This asset's going to be with us for the next 150 years, so I want to make sure that we have all the data and information for the next generation to be able to make decisions